Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We're going to do a driveway awning video for you now. We get quite a lot of customers asking us how the driveway kits work, how to connect the driveway awning up to a camper van. So we're just hopefully going to talk you through this. So for the purposes of this video, I've got the new Coleman Journey Master Deluxe L Air. There's 3 tents in this range. There's the M, the L and the XL, and so we have the L. But anyway, that's not what this one's about. It's about connecting your driveway awning to your camper van. So for the purposes of this, we are going to use a driveway kit. So basically a driveway kit is some KDAR strip. Now I've got an awning channel on there that is a 6mm, takes a 6mm bead. You can get all driveway kits which are 6 to 6mm and 6 to 4mm, depending on the size of your rail or whether you've got a wind out awning or anything like that. So you just need to make sure you've got the right driveway kit. With your driveway kit you also get a few lengths of what we call figure of 8. This is a plastic channel which allows you to connect one side to the other, and on the tent itself, on the driveway connection, there's a bead also. So the same KDAR strip, and what we're going to do is connect this one via this one to the strip on the awning. So we're just going to take you through this now. So this is the driveway kit, so I'm going to slide this one into my van. And then we've got the connection from the van, which is going to connect up via these figure of 8s. You can see that threading on there now. Push that down through. Got 3 sections on this one. And I'm just going to go around the front and do the one at the front end as well. So we're just picking this up and sliding that in through the figure of 8 channels. Right, once we've got that hung on there, we're going to just position this end as close to our side door as possible. I'm just going to move that along there slightly, and I'm going to grab some pegs. Now at the bottom here, this bit here, we've got a pegging strap. So I'm just going to peg that one down at the moment, loosely peg it because we're probably going to need to adjust it. I'm just going to peg that one down into there, and then coming out 90 degrees, we're going to peg the other side. And I'm going to do that on the other end of the vehicle connection tunnel as well. Then for the purposes of driving away from your awning, what we now do is the process in reverse, but obviously without taking the tent down. So what we would do is just unpeg the corner connection, and then slide out the figure of 8 bits. So once the figure of 8s are all taken out, you're dismantled from your van, you would just slide out the Kadar strip so you don't lose it whilst you're driving around. Now I would possibly leave the back corner of the tunnel connection just pegged in position, and then fold your drive-away bit and tuck it away, so that when you return, if you drive past your awning and then reverse back, you can see in your mirror where the tunnel connection would be positioned just behind, generally just behind your back wheel. Also, some people mark in front of their van, parallel to their van, but probably 8 or 10, 15 foot in front of it, a peg in the ground, nice brightly coloured or something, so they've got something to aim for from the front of their van as well, so that you can sort of drive in and then reverse back in position. Right, so when you've been out for the day, when you return, what you need to do, like I was just explaining earlier, I've got the bottom bit just pegged down so you can reverse back to your back wheel. You'll be roughly in the right position. You then slide back in your Kadar strip, like so. And now the bit we're using at the moment is about 4 or 5 inches too long, so you could actually just cut that off, trim that back. Once you've done that, you're going to lift up your tunnel, put on your first one, and then you're going to join the 2 Kadar strips back together, pushing them all the way down like so. So something I just wanted to point out with connecting up to a camper van, things do vary from vehicle to vehicle, awning to awning, and you're never going to get an absolute perfect fit. As you can see from here, obviously we've got the driveway kit on, we've got the figure of 8, we've got the beading from the awning, and that has pulled me, a good couple of inches off my van. We're not actually ever going to get a really tight seal up against it. You've also got other camper vans that have got wind out awnings on the side, so that wind out awning is going to sit proud of the vehicle, and then once the awning is via the driveway kit is slid into the wind out awning, that could bring it out further again. And these are all things that it still works, it's still connected, but you need to be aware that you will not always get a complete weather tight, wind tight sort of connection right up against the vehicle. So that's just something to be aware of. It is down to you a little bit to just move your materialing around without pulling the tent out of position too much, just to get it to fit your camper van as best as you can. You might even find that this bit can't come right up against your van because of having a wind out awning on the side, and that you actually need to peg it away from the vehicle slightly at the bottom to allow that you get a good sort of taut roof on it as well. So there we go, guys. That's our short video on how to connect your driveway awning to your camper van. Like I say, for the purposes of this video, we've used the new, for 2022, Coleman Journeymaster Deluxe L. If you'd like any more information on this range of awnings, if you'd like to contact us at outabout.uk, or visit any of our stores, which is Devon Outdoor and Camping Supplies and the Camping and Kite Centre in South Wales. But if you've liked this video, then please hit like and hit subscribe, and thanks very much. Cheers, guys.